Krishna. Indu Mataji, I know that you are only there. Oh, well, no, the co-host I'm talking about, that is Indu Mataji. Indu Mataji, why not on your video?
Shushu, stop now, it's recording. Okay, now don't talk anymore.
Hare Krishna. Hi. You know what? I'm going to my friend's house in the Corona time. I am going to.
Hare Krishna, Vrinda. You're going to your friend's house in the Corona time, Vrinda?
Yes, Mataji, I'm not telling you lies. I'm really going.
That's okay. You know, your friend also might not be going anywhere. So that's why it's okay to go. How long can you stay inside the house?
Yeah. Not now, Mataji, in holiday summer, this Christmas holidays. Na?
Wow.
Hare Krishna, Shricha. Hare Krishna, Vrinda.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, this is Ram.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Oh, you know.
Is Jahnavi there? Hare Krishna, Jahnavi. Hare Krishna, Subhadra, Giridhari.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Deepak and Kaushiki.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. This is Subhadrangiri.
Hare Krishna. Okay, Mataji, will start or should I wait for a minute? We'll just start.
Oh, you are supposed to be as a co-host, right, Mataji? I'll make you.
Hare Krishna, Sanvi.
Okay.
Mataji.
Oh. Yeah, Mataji, you are co-host. Start sharing.
Okay, so we'll all start with the. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Okay, we will all start. Okay, with the Guru Pranam. Om Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Satyurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Namaste Saraswate Deve Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Srivasadi Gaura. Hare Krishna, we'll say 11 times, okay? Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama. Rama, Rama,
Hare
Hare
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama
Rama, Hare Rama, 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 Hare
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare Hare,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama, Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna
Krishna
Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Rama,
Hare
Hare Rama,
Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Rama, Hare Rama,
Krishna
Rama
Krishna,
Rama,
Hare
Hare Hare,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Rama,
Krishna,
Hare Rama,
Krishna Krishna,
Rama
Hare Hare,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Hare,
Hare Rama,
Hare
Rama Rama,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama, Rama
Rama,
Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare, Hare
Hare,
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna
Krishna
Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Hare,
Rama Rama, Hare
Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Krishna,
Okay,
Hare Hare,
okay, thank you.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Okay,
Hare,
thank you everybody for chanting so beautifully.
Rama,
Can we now continue with the class?
Hare.
Okay, let's all continue with the class. You have to be quiet. Yes? Can we all be quiet and listen to the pastimes of Nimai? How
Yeah.
Nimai is very naughty, but you know the pastimes are so sweet, isn't it? All the pastimes are very, very sweet. So now in this pastime, let's see. The first pastime that we see today is Nimai wants the moon. So what happens? One day is like, baby Nimai, he's crying so much. So mother Sachi, she's trying to pacify him. Like, what happens when you cry? What will your mother say? Oh, please be quiet. Please be quiet. I will give you whatever you want. So please be quiet. Don't cry. Don't cry. Like that, Mother Sachi told Nimai, stop crying. I will give you whatever you want. So he said, you will give me whatever I want? And Mother Sachi said, yes, whatever you want, you can ask me, I will give you. And that time, what came, in the sky, because it was night time, and, full moon. He could see the full moon shining in the sky. And, Nimai said, you know what? I want that moon. Can you please give me that moon? I want that moon. So what happened, what do small children feel? They feel, like moon is just something you can just grab it. Like you can grab the apples from the apple tree or the mango from the mango trees. So like that small children feel. Similarly, Nimai felt, I can just, pick the moon from the sky like that, grab it. So, but, Mother Sachi, she was thinking, oh my God, how can I give him the moon? We know, grown-ups, they know, even you know, you cannot just grab the moon like that. So, she was not able to give him. Then Nimai started saying, you promised me that you would give me anything, but I want the moon now. And again, he started crying. Now, Mother Sachi was thinking, how can I give him a moon? That is not possible. Then suddenly, what happened? The cloud came and it covered the moon. Then Mother Sachi said, see, now the moon is covered. You cannot see. Did you not see? Now your face is so beautiful. It is 1,000 and million times beautiful than the moon. See, even the moon is ashamed. Moon is like, oh, Nima is so beautiful. I'm not so as beautiful. You can see, right? There are spots on the moon, but there is no spot on your face. So why do you want that ordinary moon, which has so many spots? You are the one who is so beautiful. And see, looking at your face, the moon is now hiding. So, hearing this, Nimai, he was pacified like this. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he had so many wonderful, wonderful pastimes like Krishna, isn't it, baby Krishna? Okay. Then another pastime. This is also very, very nice and sweet pastime. What happens when we are small children? What do we do? If you get upset with your parents, if you get angry, what do? You try to push them, isn't it? You try to hit them when you don't get whatever you want. So, like that, when Nimai was little bit toddler, like he can start walking, running around, he got very angry with Mother Sachi. And what did he do? With his baby hands, he punched her. But do you think Mother Sachi got hurt? No. What did she? But she pretended to know that as though she has got hurt, and she fell down and she became, unconscious. She fainted. Okay, then she pretended as though she has got really hurt. And all the other ladies around came and they started scolding Nimai. They said, "Oh, why did you hit your mother? See, now she's not going to get up. You have to get to focus to, bring her back to consciousness." And what did Nimai do? Baby Nimai, he immediately got up and he came back with 2 coconuts. All the ladies were like so amazed. They were thinking, where did Nimai get this coconuts from? And then immediately, they broke the coconut and he offered it to his mother. And as soon as his mother, she drank the coconut water, she was okay. And, she was conscious now. And then, Nimai promised, he said, I will never ever hit you again. And then seeing this, Mother Sachi, she hugged Nimai very tightly. Isn't it? You can see in the picture how Nimai is always so cute, isn't it? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so, so sweet. Now we have another beautiful pastime. What happened? One day when Mahaprabhu, he was still a small baby, he started crying and he started to say, when he wanted to, he was not stopping at all crying. Then his father said, what happened? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? No, he wouldn't stop. They even got doctor to stop him from crying, to see if he was sick, something had happened. Sometimes when you cannot speak properly, then your parents feel, right? Maybe you are sick, maybe something has happened to you, you're not able to say properly, you're still a small baby. So like that, they got the doctor. But the doctor said, and who is his father? Jagannath Mishra. So he asked the doctor, what happened? Why is Nimai not crying? Why is Nimai not stopping to cry? The doctor said he has got nothing. He's completely okay. And Jagannath Mishra, he asked Nimai, what happened? You're not stopping. What happened? Please tell me what happened. What is going on? Then, he replied, in the house of Jagadish Pandit and Hiranya Pandit, I want to go to their house. Then he asked, why do you want to go? When he said, Nimai said, they're having a big Ekadashi feast, so I want to go there. And Jagannath Mishra, he started thinking, what happened? How does Nimai know that it is, about Ekadashi? And how does he know that they are having a feast? Because nobody told anything. So he said, let me go and find out. So he took Nimai on his shoulder and they had to, cross the river to go to Swarupganj, because Jagdish Pandit and Hiranya Pandit, they used to live in Bodrumadvi. So when they went to their house, what was going on? There was a big offering of 108 preparations for the deities. And because it was Ekadashi, we don't take grains. But for the deities, you can offer whatever you want. So there were all the devotees were also there. But and then, when Jagannath Mishra went there, he said, what is happening here? And they all said, like today it's actually a special anniversary day that we celebrate every year. And that's why we had made such big offering for the deities. And Jagannath Mishra, he said, you know what? My son told me, the same thing, that the feast is going on. And everybody started thinking, oh, how does he know? He must be Krishna himself. He's not some, ordinary boy. Then, after offering the deities, They offered all the prashadam to baby Nimai, and he was so happy eating that offering. Everybody was also happy seeing him, how the small boy, he's enjoying all the preparations, because they thought he's not an ordinary boy. They could understand that. So, what? Even in Vrindavan, people did not know, right? That Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead. They did not worship him. They just thought, he's some special child. He has some special powers. He has been blessed by, the demigod. That's what they thought. He has been blessed by Vishnu. He's not, they did not think that he was God, isn't it? But they loved him like their own child, right? In the same way, here also in Mahaprabhu's Leela, we can see how everybody, they thought maybe he's some, special person, but they always thought, that he's some special boy, but they loved him so much. He was always doing something naughty, but, he used to bring so much joy to everybody. Isn't it? Everybody wanted to love him and serve him, You can see from these pastimes how everybody is always trying to fulfill all the wishes of Nimai. Isn't it? Yes. Aren't the pastimes very sweet? Does everybody like today's stories? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now we will do some jumble words. Okay. We are not doing question answers, but we have some jumble words from the stories that we heard today. So you have to tell me, what is this first word? What do you think the first word is?
Nimai. Nimai.
Yes.
Nimai.
So what is the second word?
Tachi.
Yes. And what is the third word?
Coconut.
Yes, coconut.
Coconut.
And what is the fourth word? It is from the second story. Something happened to Mother Sachi. What happened? Ah, she fainted. She fainted. That's correct. What is the fifth word?
Hiranya.
Yes, it is Hiranya Pandit, isn't it? Where did Nimai want to go? Nimai wanted to go to the house of Hiranya Pandit. And what is the sixth word?
Galashit Pandit.
Jagdish Pandit. Yes. Jagdish Pandit. He wanted to go to the house of Hiranya Pandit and Jagdish Pandit. Okay. And what is the seventh word? What were they having? Yes. And eighth word. What did they offer? Oh, I did not.
Prasadam.
Yes, they offered prashadam. And what is the ninth word? Where were they living? Jagdish Pandit and Hiranya Pandit. They lived in? Where? Oh, what is the place called? What is that dweep called? Bodhruma Dweep. Okay? Bodhruma Dweep. Okay. Thank you for answering so nicely.
Thank you, Mataji. Very beautiful activity.
Thank you. Okay, now we will have Anjana Gopika Mataji. Okay, she will teach us the rhyme and
Hari Bol,
Hari Bol, Anjana.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Okay, we'll learn the sloka and then we'll go to the rhyme. You all can repeat, okay? We'll start from the beginning. Kleshodikataraste sa. Kleshodikataraste sa. Kleshodikataraste sa. अव्यक्ता सक्तचेतसाम्
अव्यक्ता सक्तचेतसाम्
अव्यक्ता सक्तचेतसाम्
अव्यक्तं सक्तचेतसाम्
अव्यक्ता सक्तचेतसाम्
अव्यक्ता सक्तचेतसाम्
अव्यक्ता हि गतिः दुःखम्
अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम्
अव्यक्ता हि गतिः दुःखम्
अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम्
अव्यक्ता हि गतिः दुःखम्
अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम्
देहावद्भिरवाप्यते देहावद्भिर. Okay, this is a long word, big word. देहावद्भिरवाप्यते. Okay, वद्भिर अवाप्यते. देहावद्भिर अवाप्यते. Okay, we'll start again from beginning. Okay, क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्ता सक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता सक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् गतिर् देहावद्भिरवाप्यते देहावद्भिरवाप्यते. Okay, last time we'll learn last time and we will go to the rhyme. Okay, क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्ता सक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता सक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहावद्भिरवाप्यते देहावद्भिरवाप्यते. Okay, we'll go to the rhyme. Okay, Mother Yashoda had a little boy, little boy, little boy.
Mother Yashoda had a little boy.
Krishna was his name.
Krishna was his name.
Yes, and Krishna was his name.
Krishna was his name.
Rohini had a little boy.
Mother Rohini had a little boy, little boy, little boy.
Balaram was his name.
Balaram was his name. And
Balaram was his name.
Balaram was his name.
Mother Sachi had a little boy, little boy.
Mother Sachi had a little boy, little boy.
Nimai was his name.
Nimai was his name.
Yan ayame. Nimai was his name. Okay, we'll go to the. Okay. Mataji will take us in the break room and then we'll practice. Okay. Okay, I'll take a photo. Yes. Anybody want to go first? 1 second. It was already there, picture Mataji, or?
Shared, I was sharing. That's fine, Mataji. That's fine.
Oh, okay. I thought, yeah, sorry. Yeah. Okay, anybody want to try? Who want to go first?
Can I try the little boy song?
Yes, Zanav, you can try. You say, come, Sloka, say here. Klesho adhikataraste sam. So adhika. Adhika adhikataraste sam. Abhyakta sakta chetasa. Swakta. Abhyakta hi gati dukkham. Abhyakta. Gatir dukkham. Deha badvir avapyate. Deha badvir. Avapyate. That's rhyme. Rhyme, say rhyme.
Mother Yashoda had a little boy. Krishna was his name, K-R-I, just a name. Krishna was his name. Mother Rohini had a little boy. Balaram was his name, B-A-L-A-R-A-M, and Balaram was his name. Mother says she had a little boy.
Nimai was his
his name. N-I-M-A-I, and Nimai was his name.
Thank you.
Wants to go.
No, everybody raised hand.
Balavrinda wants to go after Janvi.
Mataji, Rishikesh raised hand, Mataji. Wait.
Yes, Mataji, wait. Balavrinda go and then we'll give Sadhana.
Hello.
Balavrinda go.
Hello, Mataji. I want to read the Krishna song like Mother Yashoda had a little boy.
Yes, I will call everyone. Okay, go Balavrinda, and who raised the hand, I'll call them.
Okay, Mataji, the right.
Okay, Mother Yashoda.
Mother Yashoda had a little boy. Mother Yashoda had a little boy. Krishna was his name. K-R-I. It's such a name. Krishna was his name.
Mother
Rohini had a little boy. Balaram क्लेशोऽधिकादरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसा अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखं देववद्वेयवास्मृता
Avapyati.
Janvi.
Thank you, Balabrinda. Rishikesh, you go ahead first. Rishikesh, Madhav.
अधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिरवाप्यते. Mother Yashoda had a little boy, little boy, little boy. Krishna was his name. K-R-I-S-H-N-A, and Krishna was his name. Mother Rohini had a little boy, little boy, little boy. Balram was his name. B-A-L-A-R-A-M, and Balram was his name. Mother Sachi had a little boy, little boy, little boy. Balram Nimai was his name. N-I-M-A-I, and Nimai was his name. Thank you, Mataji. Hare
You,
Krishna.
Rishikesh. Yes, Madhav. Can you go next?
Are you going next?
Yeah, that's see the shloka. Okay. Klesho
Kesho,
adhika
Ayika,
tarastesham
Tajesam,
avyakta
Aveta,
saktachetasam
Sakatesam,
avyakta
Aveta,
higatir dukham gatir dukham
Dukam,
dehavadbhir
do you happy?
avapyate.
Avate,
Okay, now say the rhyme. Mother Yashoda had a little boy.
boy with the boy, with the
Little boy.
boy,
Krishna was his name.
name,
Krishna,
H-H-N-A,
and Krishna was his name.
Krishna's name.
Mother Rohini
What is your name?
had a little
Boy
boy.
with the boy, with the boy,
Balram was his name.
name.
Balram was his
Bayam is name.
B-A-L
A-H.
A-R-A-M, and Balram was his name.
Alam is his name.
Mother Sachi
Sachi.
had a little
Boy
boy.
with the boy, with the boy,
Nimai was his name.
name.
N-I-M-A-I,
G.
and Nimai was his name.
Name.
Okay, say thank you, Mataji.
That is Mataji.
Thank you. And Mayuk, do you want to go next?
Yes.
Yes, Mayuk.
Klesho
Kesho.
adhikataras
Adhikataras.
tesham
Tesham.
avyakta sakatam
Avyakta satata.
chetasam
Chetasam.
avyaktahim
Avyakriti.
gatirdukham
Katir dukkha.
dehavadbhir
Deha Batpin.
avyapyate.
Avyapati. Mother Yashoda had a little boy, little boy, little boy. Krishna was his name. Krishna, and Krishna was his name. Mother Rohini had a little boy, little boy, little boy. But was his name. B-A-L-E-R-A-M. Balam was his name. Mother Sati had a little boy, little boy, little boy. Nimai was his name. N-I-M-A-I-L-E-I. And Nimai was his name. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. Who want to go? Kaushiki. Madhav is also there. Kaushiki, you want to go? Madhav, go. Yes, Madhav. Madhav.
Martha in the bathroom.
Yes, yes.
Can
Yes,
Martha
Madhav, go. You go and then Kaushiki will go.
Klesho Adhika Taraste Sham Avyakta Sakta Chetasam Avyakta hi Gati Dukkham Deha Vadbhi Avapyate Mother Yashoda Mother Yashoda had a little boy. Krishna was his name. Krishna and Krishna was his name. Mother Rohini had a little boy. Balaram was his name. Balaram was his name. Mother Sachi had a little boy. Nimai was his name. N-I Nimai was his name. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. How do you want?
Kaushiki, can you go next?
Mataji, do we have to read the song or the shloka first, or?
Whichever you want to go first.
Mother Yashoda had a little boy. Krishna was his name. Krishna, and Krishna was his name. Mother Rohini had a little boy. Balaram was his name. Balaram, and Balaram was his name. Mother Saki had a little boy. Nimai was his name. Nimai, and Nimai was his name.
Want to say sloka? Do you want to say sloka, Kaushiki?
Mataji, shall I close the rooms? You are back?
Yeah, I'm back, Mataji.
Okay.
Oh, you are asking to Mataji.
I close the rooms now. I close the rooms. Yeah.
No,
Anybody?
I need a song. Kaushiki wants to do it, I think.
Sloka? Yes, you can do Kaushiki. If you need help.
Mataji, I think a song is a little easier for my sister.
Okay. You don't want to do sloka? That's fine. Okay, Mataji, I think we can end the call. Anybody is there who want to try sloka and rhyme?
My sister wants to do both.
What is your
Sloka
sister
and
name?
song.
What is your sister name?
Her name's Kaushiki.
She did the rhyme. What is your name?
My name's Deepak.
Deepak. Okay, you did before? Did you did the rhyme before? Kaushiki, you want to try sloka and rhyme? Okay, I think Mataji, no, it's there. We can end the call. Okay, thank you so much, kids, for joining. We can end the call now. You can pay our obeisances.
Obeisances. Vansha.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare
Krishna Mataji.
Mataji ki jai. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, all kids. Bye bye.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Bye.
Bye. Bye bye.